We are at Simala Shrine. This place is huge and gorgeous. And of course, they won't let you fly drones. That we just got here and are starting to explore, so we're going to get pictures and video and everything else as we go along. And there seems to be all kinds of things to explore in here.
Yep, there is.
Yep, it is. We're only about 100 paces from where we started, and just taking in some gorgeous views, both outside and inside the shrine.
Oh, I like it.
Beautifully done shrine. And you couldn't have found a more gorgeous area to do it in either. Now, Papa, you live where? In Mangbalay.
The next
Mountain.
Oh, so you can't see the house from here?
we cannot see.
Okay. Because in the backyard, you can kind of see the tops of the buildings.
This only you can see.
Oh, so it's probably these mountains we're seeing from your place?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're like just over those mountains that you can't see. We came down to the bottom level and checking out some of the gardens and such.
Yep.
Down here. Gorgeous waterfall in the back here. And everybody hanging out on the bridge. That comes out to the water lilies, and there's more down there somewhere that I'm not sure we can actually get to any longer. I think there may be fish down there. And of course the Virgin Mary. You can't quite see them, but Santa Nina's up in the top. Try to do some slower shutter speeds of this waterfall, but I don't know if I got it. And I really didn't have a wide enough lens to do it. A couple of dragonflies hanging out down there.
Simala, school of the school in there, the Simala. Okay, I'll tell Kuya Efren, the driver.
This is a gorgeous place, but it's during the dead of summer,
And it's a
dead of Filipino summer, and it is just so stinking hot. We're going to cut this visit a tad bit short and plan on coming back.